to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing another smocking rose design and a large version of the one I did previously on another video. I'm going to do 4 massive roses on some moldy yellowy fabric. So shall we get into this? Let's go. So this is the grid that I'm using. I've kind of enlarged one of the patterns that I used before for another video when I did the rose design on a smaller version. So I've got 1 inch squared grid that I usually use on this A2 paper, and basically I've got some tracing paper here, and I've decided to put these different measurements on here just to enlarge it quite big so that I can get a huge rose done with the fabric. So you can see what I've done here. I've used the template, left a 3-inch gap all the way around, and I've used the template and my water-soluble pen and also some chalk, and I've drawn around the template, and I've done 4 of those on this large fabric, and I've done it on the wrong side of the satin fabric. I'm also going to be using this upholstery thread, and I've got some scissors. That's all you're going to need. So this is what it looks like. I drew out 4 of the templates on this stretched fabric. I used chalk and the water-soluble pen. So next up, what I do is I get the thread and I lay it down on my design, and I work out roughly how much thread I'm going to need to get all the way around the pattern. So I've already done that, but just to show you, I've put a really chunky knot at the other end of my needle. I've put a book over this side of the fabric, don't let the fabric slip, and as I said, I've got it on the wrong side. So now I'm going to start over, literally just going to do a runner stitch, about a centimetre long each stitch, and I'm just going to go all the way around the shape. Lots of thread. When you have got lots of threads like this, there's a quicker way you can do this, of grabbing the material like that and just threading your needle through. It's just a really quick version. And you can pull it through every couple of stitches if you like. I do that a lot, to be honest with you. Gather, gather, gather. And head down this way. So if you've not watched the other video that I did on the rose design, this is exactly the same, but I just wanted to have a go at doing a bigger version. This way. It's such slippy fabric, that's why I just try to hold it down a little bit. And then head up vertically. Turn the fabric a bit this way. Going down. Last line. Can't wait to show you when we pull this. Done. Next, I'm going to pull the thread. And I'm I'm just pulling it through little bits at a time. Very satisfying though. I've said this before, but it is. So now we just need to tie that off with a knot and a few stitches just to secure it. A few knots at the side there. And now I'm going to continue on the next one. So what I found when I was doing this was on the second, third and fourth flower, it gets quite difficult with the ripples in the fabric to find your design. So what I recommend, and what I didn't do, was I used quite a bit of tailor's chalk, and I think that you probably should use a darker water-soluble pen. Just, it's not that obvious when the fabric goes a little bit ruched and crinkly. Okay, so I've sewn around that second one, ready to pull. We're going to pull this last one. I've pulled up all four of them on the back. Pretty crazy fabric manipulation. And then that is what it looks like on the front. Cool. Look at that. So there we go, finished. It's an enlarged version, my version, of the one that I did previously. Remember that one? I've got another video of that one if you want to have a look. So these were obviously quite small roses, and these ones are bigger. I've only done 4 there, but obviously you could do more. But yeah, you could imagine those in all sorts of different colours as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video today, and that you'll perhaps give it a whirl. And yeah, take care of yourselves, have a good week. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please hit the notification button so that you can see when I get my videos. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Bye!